Two fat elephants went for a walk. On a very narrow path they walked. They got stuck and couldn't pass, so they called the third elephant with gestures. Come here, come here, come here. Cheer! Three fat elephants went for a ride. On a tiny little bicycle they tried to sit. The bicycle was small, they couldn't fit, so they called the fourth elephant with gestures. Come here, come here, come here. Four fat elephants went for a walk. They sat on a vegetable cart in the market. The cart broke and they all fell down, so they called the fifth elephant with gestures. Come here, come here, come here. Five fat elephants went for a walk. They got trapped in a monkey's lap. The monkey removed the trap and it set them free.
Five elephants.
All five are dancing, all five elephants started jumping. La la la, la la la, la la la.
Let's just use the outside.